Satish Kumar here. Welcome to this video on tips and tricks of Microsoft Excel. This is the first video about the tips and tricks of Microsoft Excel. So in this video, what we are going to see is how to protect a particular region or how to unprotect a particular region. So let me take this table. This file, I will share it on the description. You can download it for your practice. Let's take this table A, B, C, D, E. There are some data available in this column. I want my user to enter the data only in the F column. Other columns, I don't want others to edit it. I want to protect it. I want to protect the other areas except the F column. So what we do is, first let me select the entire sheet. How do we select the entire sheet? Either go to the leftmost topmost area where you can see a small triangle is available. You can click on it where the entire sheet will be selected. Or place the cursor on some empty cell on your keyboard. Just to press the shortcut key Control A. Entire sheet is selected now. They press Control 1. Under Control 1, the number, alignment, font, border, fill. Let us go to the protection. Under protection, please check whether this lock is enabled. Yes, the lock is enabled. By default, the lock will be enabled. If it is not enabled, please enable it. Please check it. I think it's already enabled. Now I say OK. So the entire area is locked now. But as I told, I want my user to edit only the data in the F column. So let me select only the F column. How do we select the F column? Go to the top and make a click here. Or you can use the shortcut key Control space bar. Select the entire column. Control 1. Once again, go to the format cells. Control 1, go to format cells, or even you can make a right click on the particular column and you can go to format cells also, whichever is easier. So when you go to the format cells and I uncheck this lock, I'm unchecking the lock. They say OK. So this particular column is unlocked. All the other columns are locked. Now what we do is, last part, go to the tab called as Review. When you go to the tab of Review, under the tab of Review, you can see that Protect Sheet is available. Correct? Go to the tab of Review. Under the Review, the Protect Sheet. So click on that Protect Sheet. Click on the Protect Sheet. It opens a dialog box. Before protecting it, before giving a password, please see that the select locked cells is unchecked. If it is not unchecked, please uncheck it. This select locked cells. That means the user cannot select the other cells. They can select only the cell which is unlocked. The locked cells, they cannot select it. And you can give a password for it. Just give a password. I'm giving a password. And I say OK. And I repeat the password again. OK. That's it. You can see this particular area is unlocked. So you can enter the data in the column called as F. Whereas I'm trying to enter the data, even I'm trying to select the other cells, which is not possible. Okay. So if you want to unprotect it again, you can go to unprotect, give the password, and you can unprotect it once again. Thanks for watching this video. We will see in the next tips and tricks about this Excel.